Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make an announce bar in Shopify that moves as well. So the first thing you want to do is go on the search bar up here and then search announcement. And then click on this, search announcement in Shopify App Store. From here, I want you to pick this one, Essential Announcement Bar. Install it. Once here, just click on install again. Okay, great. Once here, press this button here, activate. Activate to make sure you have activated the embed app on your Shopify website. So back here, make sure this is turned on, just like this. Once that's done, you can click on this, new announcement. And from here, you can make a new announcement. The one you want, the one that can move is this running line announcement. So something like this. The announcement name can be something. This is like just a label for you. This is a thing that will be running through the ad. So maybe free stuff here, just like that. You can make it really fast if you want, but nobody will be able to read that, I think. So just something like that. That would be good. There's other things you can manage here as well, like the design and the placement. But I'm just going to keep it as is. Once you're done, make sure to press publish here. Once it's published, now we can go back to our store and let's try, refresh this. All right, you need to turn this on and then press save first. I forgot about that. Now, as you can see, there's an announcement. The top one is because I have another announcement here. Here, let me show you. I have two announcements. This one. This is the enjoy 20% discount. If you see two announcement here, it's because you have to and stacking on top of each other. Don't uninstall actually. Just delete this, but unpublish just like that. And then if we refresh, there you go. Now you have an announcement bar that moves.